Hi guys, good day. It's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class, it's all about angle pairs. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now this is already part 3 of our video class. The part 2 of our video, we actually solve for this one class. We identify based on this given marking what type of angle pairs this one. If it's adjacent angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles, vertical angles, or linear pair. So if you want to learn more about this one class, I will just put the link on the description down below. Feel free to see the video class. Alright, so let's focus now on the part 3 of our video. So we have given angle AOB, that's 45 degrees. And we don't have the value of angle BOC, but we have angle COD, that's 45 degrees. And angle DOE, that's 30 degrees. So we will have plenty of examples class with regards to this one for you to really understand this one class. So letter A, we're going to answer ABC. Letter A, name two angles that are complementary. Now once again, what are those complementary angles? Now complementary angles class, when two angles add up to 90 degrees. Okay, when you add the two angles, if the sum is 90 degrees, therefore the two angles are complementary angles. So based on this given illustration class, we know that this angle right here plus this angle, it would be 90 degrees. Angle AOB plus angle COD, 45 plus 45, that's 90 degrees. So that would be our answer for letter A. We have angle AOB, and angle COD. Those are complementary angles. Question, sir, can I read this one? Angle BOA. Can I do it one, sir? Angle BOA. And angle DOC. Can I do it one, sir? Okay, can I read that one? Angle DOC. Yup, class, that's actually the same. So it's either of these two, class. You can have this answer or you can have this one, class. That's okay, class. Okay, you can read that one angle AOB or BOA. That's actually the same, class. Alright, so that's the answer for letter A. Angle AOB and angle COD. Now, letter B. Name the angles supplementary to angle BOA. Now, what are those supplementary angles, sir? Now, supplementary angles, class, when the two angles add up to 180 degrees. So, we have given, once again, name the angles supplementary to angle BOA. So, we have given 45 degrees for angle BOA. So, therefore, as we see, class, this following line, okay, this particular line, class, we have a straight line and we can form a straight angle, right? Now, straight angle, it's always 180 degrees. So let me just write the illustration again, class, for you not to be confused, class. So, we have this given illustration. This is A, okay, this is O, and this is D, right? And we have this given, okay, angle AOB, and this is 45 degrees, right? So this is 45 degrees. Now we know that if we add these two angles, okay, angle AOB and angle BOD, it should be equal to 180 degrees, right? Because we have a straight line, and a straight line, it's always 180 degrees. You can form a straight angle, and a straight angle is always 180 degrees. Once again, class, always remember this one. If you have a straight line, you can form a straight angle, and a straight angle, class, it's always 180 degrees. Remember that one, class, a straight angle, it's always 180 degrees. So therefore, we know that this is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. Plus this angle, because we have a straight line, we have a straight angle. So this angle right here, we can form a straight angle. So 45 plus this angle, therefore this should be 180 degrees. So what will be this angle, class? So to get this angle, we can just simply do the mental calculation. We can just simply subtract 45 from this 180. So 180 minus 45. So borrow 1, this becomes 7, this becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Once again, you borrow 1 because this is 0 minus 5. That cannot be. Borrow 1, this becomes 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. And then 135 degrees. Alright, so BOD, that's 135 degrees plus 45, that would be 180 degrees. Alright, so therefore, class, the supplementary angle of angle BOD OA, that would be BOD. So the answer, class, is angle BOD. Angle BOD. Alright, so I hope you get this one, class, for letter B. If you have some questions with this one, class, do not hesitate to ask us. Okay, once again, our answer is angle BOD. Because if we answer, class, BOA and BOC, of course, that's not 180 degrees, class. Okay, if you add this up, this angle plus this angle, you will not get 180, class. So that would be this angle and this given angle, so that you will have 180 degrees. Because supplementary angles, two angles add up to 180 degrees. Alright, so letter C, if angle AOE, okay, angle AOE, and angle D, so this will be angle D, OE are supplementary angles, or supplementary, find the measure of angle AOE. Once again, angle AOE and angle DOE are supplementary angles, or supplementary, find the measure of angle AOE. So what will be the measure for this one, class? Of course, we know, class, even if we draw this one, okay, let's draw this one again. Okay, when we draw this one, class, alright, so once again, this is A, this is O, and this is D, right? And this will be E, right? So this is E. And once again, angle AOE and angle DOE are supplementary. So therefore, this is 30. Now, it says supplementary, class. Therefore, the sum of these two angles, it should be equal to 180 degrees. Alright, so if this is 30, we can do the mental math. This will be 150 for angle AOE. Once again, we have a straight line. And a straight line, we can form a straight angle. And a straight angle is always 180 degrees. So you're told to find the measure of angle AOE. So 150 plus 30, that's 180. Therefore, this angle right here, class, we already have 30 degrees. Plus this angle, it should be 150. Because 150 plus 30, that's 180 for a straight angle. Alright, so angle AOE, that's 150 degrees. All set, class, for example number 1. So let's have more examples, class, for you to understand this one. Let's have example number 2, class. Alright, so let's proceed now to number 2. We have given angle POQ, that's 38 degrees. And we don't have the measure of angle QOR, but we have angle ROS, that's 52 degrees. So question letter A. Name any one pair of adjacent angles. Now, once again, sir, what are those adjacent angles? Now, once again, class, adjacent angles, they share common vertex and they share common side. Example, class, if you have this given two angles, they share common vertex, so this is the vertex, and they share common side, so therefore, these two angles, these are what we call the adjacent angles. So the two angles are adjacent angles because they share common vertex and they share common side. So in this given illustration, class, what are those adjacent angles? That's correct. We can have this given angle and this angle. They are adjacent angles. Once again, angle POQ and angle QOR, they are adjacent angles because they share common vertex and they share common side. So we have angle POQ and angle QOR. So you can read this one ROQ, that's okay, class, or you can read this one QOR. That's the same, class. So Q, O, then R. Just make sure, class, that this vertex O will be the center part of this following vertices. Okay, Q, O, R. O will be the center part. So this angle, class, and this angle, these are adjacent angles because they share common vertex and they share common side. Okay, what else, class? So what can you see with this with regards to this illustration, class? Can we say that this angle is adjacent to this angle? Yep, can we say that one? This QOR is adjacent to ROS. Can we do that one, class? Yep, these two angles are adjacent angles. So this angle and this angle, they are adjacent angles because they share common vertex and they share common side. So we also have angle QOR and angle ROS. You can read this one SOR, that's okay, or ROS. Alright, so that's it for example number 1 or letter A question. Adjacent angles. Alright, so let's have letter B. Now question class, how about these two angles class? Can we call this one adjacent angle class? Angle QOP and angle ROS. These two angles class, can we call this one adjacent angles? Can we call that one adjacent angles class? Nope, we cannot call that one adjacent angles because they don't share. They share common vertex, but they don't share common side. Alright, so they don't share common sides. So therefore, we only have these two angles and these two angles. Alright, now letter B, find the measure of angle QOR. Okay, we're told to find the measure of angle QOR. So, angle QOR. Now, what would be the measure of angle QOR class? We have given QOP, that's 38, and we have given ROS, that's 52. Therefore, class, the thing that we will do is we need to add this up, and then we subtract it from 180. Now, you will be asking question, why is that, sir? Now, always remember, class, that if you have a straight line, once again, you can form a straight angle. And a straight angle, it's always 180 degrees. Once again, class, a straight angle, it's always 180 degrees. So therefore, the thing that we will do is we need to add this up, and then we subtract it from 180. So let's add this up. 38 plus 52. So that's 8 plus 2 is 10. 0 carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 5 is 9. This is 90 degrees. So therefore, we subtract this 90 by this 180. So that would be 180 minus 90. Okay, once again, we subtract this 90 from 180. So 180 minus 90, that would be 90. So therefore, this angle right here, class, is 90 degrees. 180 minus 90, that's 90 class. Alright, so this angle right here is 90 degrees angle. So therefore, we can form this marking class. We can write this marking, this illustration. This box class, it means 90 degrees angle. Alright, so this is 90 degrees angle for angle QOR. So the measure of angle QOR is equal to 90 degrees. Alright, so letter C, name the angles complementary to angle ROS. So once again, class, if you talk about complementary angles, two angles add up to 90 degrees. So we already have the given of angle ROS, that's 52 degrees. So therefore, our answer, class, will be angle QOP. Once again, QOP and angle ROS, they are complementary angles because if you add the two angles, we already added a while ago, class, 52 plus 38, that's 90 degrees. We added a while ago, right? You still remember, class, 52 plus 38, that's 90 degrees. So therefore, angle ROS is complement to angle QOP. They are complementary angles. So therefore, our answer will be angle QOP. You can read this one QOP or POQ. That's the same, class. It depends on you, class, which do you prefer. So let's read this one angle QOP. QOP. Alright, because if you add the two angles, the sum is 90 degrees. Alright, so last question, class, letter B. Which angle form a linear pair with angle POQ? Once again, class, linear pair, two angles are up to 180 degrees and they are also adjacent angles. Once again, class, for linear pair, it must be adjacent angles and the two angles are up to 180 degrees. So therefore, our answer for that one, class, let me just draw this one. We have POQ. So P, then O, then Q. Okay, POQ. And so we have this given marking, POQ. And what would be the angle form a linear pair with angle POQ? Therefore, this will be angle Q. Once again, this is Q, O, then S, right? Because if you add these two angles, it should be equal to 180 degrees. This angle plus this angle, it should be equal to 180 degrees because this is a straight line. Once again, this is a straight line. If you add these two angles, it should be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, it should be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, angle form a linear pair with angle POQ, it should be QOS. QOS. Okay, once again, QOS, because 90 plus 52, this will be 142 plus 38, that would be 180. So all of this given angle class is a pair with this QOP, linear pair with angle QOP. Alright, so our answer class is angle QOS. Angle QOS. That's it, class. That's the answer for letter D. So I hope, class, you learned something new today. Once again, if you have some questions with regards to angle pair, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Once again, I hope you learned something new today. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.